Welcome to this rare opportunity for 18 serene acres with a year-round creek and 2 homes in Yamhill County. All on one tax lot, this property is a perfect space for dual rentals, vacation rentals, or build your dream home. This custom craftsman cottage would make a wonderful guest home or rental. Nestled by the peaceful woods, it's a quiet, private retreat. Heading inside, discover beautiful hardwood floors, a light and bright interior, and vaulted ceilings. The spacious, open entertainer's kitchen features a breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, tile counters, and under-cabinet lighting. Plus tranquil views. Double doors open to the vaulted master suite. You'll find a large walk-in closet and its own full bath. A bonus room could be a home office or a second bedroom, plus another full bath. Relax or entertain on the patio on these fully landscaped grounds where it's easy to connect with nature. The large driveway offers plenty of parking, plus room for your RV. This beautiful Chehalem Valley property is close to world-class wineries and is centrally located. The second home also offers wonderful privacy in this picturesque setting, an ideal location for your future dream home. Both homes offer great investment potential with a solid rental history, plus agribusiness opportunities, including forest and farm deferrals. This 2012 manufactured home has a large deck, perfect for enjoying the private setting and serene territorial views. This one-of-a-kind treasure is waiting to be discovered, the best of country living, yet close to towns, cities, beaches, and mountains. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Pam Irish with Premier Property Group at 503-537-7221.